Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to discuss about systematic investment plan and systematic withdrawal plan concepts in investments. So let's take an example with one scenario. So here you can see a person who is working. His name is Ravi. So his plan is to start from 10,000 to 1 crore. So how he's going to do? So he will be using the SIP process for initial years when he is working, and then he will be using SWP process to withdraw his money as a regular income and enjoy his retirement life. So let's discuss into deeper. So in the first phase, systematic investment plan, where he will be investing at the start of 20 years. He will be starting in creating an SIP of 10,000 every month in equity mutual fund. So, after investing in SIP, the here you will be seeing the power of compounding. The initial 10,000 every month he is investing. The 10,000 will be becoming 1 lakh. Slowly it will become 10 lakhs, and slowly it will become 1 CR. So for 20 years, he will consistently invest 10,000 every month in equity mutual fund, where the average equity mutual fund for equity funds are around 13%. So if you calculate 10,000 every month for 13% interest rate returns, then the overall compounding effect will be 1 crore after 20 years. So that means if he's starting at the age of 28, at the age of 48, his wealth will be 1 crore. So now, at the age of 48, if Ravi retires, now he is in a retirement phase, and now he decides to enjoy his life by traveling and relaxing his life. So now, at the age of 48, he plans to go for a systematic withdrawal plan which can help him for his daily expenses and travel expenses and all. So now, after 48 years, he will be going for a regular income by systematic withdrawal plan. 50,000 he will be creating from his mutual fund every month. So in this case, the fund which is already available in the mutual fund will be keep on growing, and he will also get a regular income from that mutual fund of every month 50,000. So in this way, he is able to generate a regular income even after his retirement. So now we will understand the basic differences of like overview of what we discussed in the example of Ravi. SIP, which helps in building wealth, whereas SWP, which helps in getting regular income. SIP will be moving, money will be coming in, inflow. In SWP, money will be going outflow. SIP works for working phase, during working phase. SWP works during the retirement phase. So these are the basic differences between SIP process and SWP process. So now Ravi is in a like emotional close, like he's like financial freedom, and he achieved his life, and he's now relaxing. You can see in the image he's like how smiling, how he's enjoying with traveling and enjoying his coffee. So this is the power of SIP and SWP in our day-to-day daily life. How we can enjoy our future if we start investing in mutual funds with the help of SIP and SWP tools. So everyone, start your SIP today and plan your SWP tomorrow. Start with a small fund, even 5,000, 10,000, 2,000, whichever it is. Start with a small fund, stay consistent, invest for multiple years, then ma- at the end of your working phase, when your retirement phase comes, you enjoy and relax with those funds. So I hope you like this video. We will meet again with the next video, but don't forget to subscribe my channel, so we will again meet with an interesting topic.